Okay, so I've seen a couple different methods of getting T-posts out of the ground, and honestly, here with the soil type, it's a pretty high clay soil in the winter, wetter months. It's, you know, you usually can work them out and lift them straight out without bending them. I saw the post pounder method. I don't know if it's because mine's shorter or whatnot, but I ended up bending it. It worked, but I ended up bending the T-post. So I have a couple different high lifts. This is the actual high lift brand style jack. I think some people call them farm jacks. So I knew I could figure out a way. So just a little piece of chain here I had laying around. You know, I cut it down so I can wrap it once around, and I'll show you that how I ended up doing that. Once I get to that part, and then I have just some hardware here. Hit it up a little ways just so it's easier to work with. Lock it in, and then I'm going to take my chain and wrap it just once around there, and then I've got, I said, this just a simple bolt, and this is a pretty lightweight, like 5/16, probably low grade, just like I said, hardware I had, stuff I had laying around. But if you do it right, the load shouldn't be on the bolt. It should be just where it hangs up on the on one of these little nubs here that hang out. So, all right, so I already got it tight. Obviously, if you put your high lift style jack in on the back, you don't have to worry about the two little tangs that hang out on there. And if you kind of pull back, watching your hand and not pinch it, obviously, comes out pretty easy. You can start to feel that should be out enough. All right, so if you already have this style jack, you know, and even if you had to run to the hardware store, grab yourself a little piece of chain. If you don't have something, you know, like this, that's going to save you. The cheapest tool out there I've seen for high lift is $29 dollars. It's a little bracket that drops down over there, and then has a spot where you can hook in your high lift there and jack it out. That didn't include in shipping. There's some other tools around there for about the $50 range. So hey, if you already have one of these and you already have this, or even if you have to do buy a little chunk of chain, it's definitely going to be cheaper option. So thanks for watching. Okay, so one little upgrade I did, other than the bolt and the nut that I had on there that I kept dropping, especially the nut, making it hard to find in the grass and stuff, as I added this quick link here. Like I said, there shouldn't be a whole lot of, if you do it right, there shouldn't be a whole lot of stress on that part. So that's it.